When GE started the digital journey, GE had many ways of attacking it. GE would have said, hey, let me start a small company on the side that will be the digital part of GE. I'll still maintain my traditional company. What GE decided to do was to transform itself into the digital industrial firm.
Our view is that almost every product is going to be sold on the basis of outcomes. It's more about software than perhaps it's about hardware.
So what are the key ingredients for that? You need software talent, you need analytics capabilities, you need people who understand, technologists who understand business. Bangalore is the technology hub of India. So we thought that Bangalore is probably the best place to invest for us.
We need the people who also think software, who think digital and so on.
But right now we are hiring 1,000-ish software engineers and analytics experts into analytics talent into our company. Now we're not talking about hiring from the traditional system integrators. Now we're talking about hiring from the startups or the Silicon Valley-ish companies or the new generation e-commerce companies.
We need to be attractive for those kind of people and that kind of talent.
To attract that talent, you need a different style of working, different culture. You have to attract the millennials.
So the most difficult challenge really is to bring about that cultural change.
So a lot of thought has gone in from how do we create that digital identity, the digital culture, the digital look and feel.
And therefore we need to make ourselves more contemporary.
But we also wanted to establish an environment where people are proud to work, where people want to come to work, where people feel that it is my home.
When you think about GE, right, it's this century-old industrial company. When I came here, I didn't expect it to be as cool. I mean, this is one of the best places to work for.
The environment is such that it motivates you to think and innovate.
You've got this open office culture. There are no cubicles at all.
The entire culture for the younger generation is about being collaborative, about openness, about transparency. So therefore, walls between or cubicles, cabins, walls, any barrier that comes in the way of interaction or communication is something that I think we've tried to kind of bring down.
We are trying to hire technologists, software. So we now hire more from the engineering colleges, the tier 1s and tier 2, the good ones. And we want to give them opportunities to develop software, become data scientists and build platforms and build products.
We do believe that the stuff that GE works on, it makes an impact on the lives of people. And therefore what we are trying to tell the younger generation is that, well, you can either spend your talent and time on making games and things like that, or you can work on real cool stuff like aircraft engines, healthcare MRI machines, or wind turbines, or jet engines, or locomotives, or gas turbines, which in turn would actually go out there and make a difference and improve the quality of lives of people.
Here we have the real physical machine. You can touch it, you can feel it, you can see the engineers who design it, you can talk to the researchers who are building the next generation engines, you can talk about the next generation of manufacturing that we are doing, the 3D printings, etc. And then you start building solutions, digital solutions, IT solutions for them. So you are in a place where you actually can experiment and experience.
We at GE believe that Predix, which is the industrial internet platform that we are building and we are promoting across the world, is the only industrial internet platform of its kind.
In the old days, India used to do work, but it was mostly integrating or interfacing with third-party service providers. Now we start owning outcomes here. We own big products here, so we are driving product ownership from India outwards now.
So if you want to be on the cutting edge of writing history, then I think you need to be with GE.
What we expect at the end of the day is about having world's best talent. If you really ask me, my dream is that this becomes the place where a lot of innovation happens.
We are just about getting started. We plan to be one of the top 10 software companies in a fairly short period of time.
And we don't want to be really in the traditional software sale business. We want to be a value generation, outcome-driven partner to our customers.
So I would argue that if you want to see quick growth, rapid growth, make a difference to what's happening around in the world and be part of the world's largest industrial infrastructure company, I think you should be in GE.